Fuck. That fucking hurt. Ow! Ow! Oh, yeah. Oh, I just hit my head. Oh, no. God damn, that hurt. Well, the helmet hit the back of my neck. I fucking tagged a tree and hit my bar. Look how I got these fucking bars. Jesus. He's already gone? That motherfucker. Oh, this is gonna be tough. All right, here we go. Whew. Holy fuck. I'm fine, but I broke my tail.
Fuck it, you alright though?
Oh yeah.
Good shit, dog.
Fuck yeah.
Woo!
I busted my tail.
Yeah, you did.
Damn it.
I got you right here.
That sucks.
Horn works.
How do I get that back in there?
Here, let's pull it off to the side. Oh, my bad.
Sorry.
You good?
I'm good. Well, I would have made it had I not looped it.
That tree hadn't been there.
Well, fuck.